Welcome to Idea Sessions. In this video, we will cover 10 ways on how to use suffering to get stronger. Accept and embrace pain. Accepting and embracing pain is a transformative way to turn suffering into strength. Instead of resisting or avoiding discomfort, acknowledge it as a natural part of the human experience. By accepting pain, you create space for growth and healing. Resisting it often prolongs the suffering, while acceptance allows you to process and move forward. Embracing pain doesn't mean you enjoy it, but rather that you recognize its potential to teach valuable lessons. It pushes you to develop resilience, patience, and emotional strength. When you accept pain, you stop letting it control you, which ultimately empowers you. This mindset shift allows you to gain insight into your inner strength and capacity for overcoming adversity. Through this process, you may discover newfound determination and clarity. Over time, embracing pain helps you build the mental toughness necessary to face future challenges with confidence and a stronger sense of self. Find meaning in struggles. When faced with challenges, it can be easy to feel defeated or lost. However, by reframing your experience and searching for purpose in adversity, you can shift your mindset and unlock personal growth. Start by reflecting on how the struggle might be teaching you valuable lessons, such as patience, resilience, or empathy. Even difficult experiences can provide insight into your values, priorities, and goals. By focusing on the potential for growth, you begin to see suffering as an opportunity rather than an obstacle. Finding meaning also helps you cope with difficult emotions. It encourages acceptance and allows you to approach challenges with a sense of purpose, rather than feeling overwhelmed. Over time, this mindset strengthens your emotional resilience and enhances your ability to face future struggles with a sense of empowerment and understanding. Reframe challenges as growth opportunities. Instead of viewing difficulties as insurmountable obstacles, see them as chances to learn, evolve, and improve. This mindset shift helps you approach adversity with a sense of curiosity and determination, rather than fear or frustration. When faced with a setback, ask yourself what lessons can be learned from the situation. How can this experience help you develop new skills, gain a deeper understanding of yourself, or build resilience? By focusing on growth rather than the problem itself, you unlock your potential to overcome future challenges. Reframing challenges also helps reduce the emotional weight of suffering. It enables you to maintain a positive outlook and stay motivated, knowing that each obstacle is contributing to your personal growth. Over time, this perspective fosters mental strength and prepares you to handle life's difficulties with confidence and grace. Cultivate mental toughness. Mental toughness allows you to persevere through challenges, setbacks, and adversity with resilience and determination. Instead of succumbing to difficult emotions or circumstances, mental toughness helps you stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive mindset. To build mental toughness, start by developing a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning rather than obstacles. Practice self-discipline by setting goals and consistently working towards them, even when things get tough. Regularly step out of your comfort zone to strengthen your ability to handle stress and uncertainty. Additionally, cultivate emotional regulation by managing negative thoughts and staying calm under pressure. Over time, mental toughness helps you bounce back from difficulties more quickly and approach future hardships with greater confidence, making you more capable of handling life's challenges. Practice gratitude amidst hardship. In the face of challenges, it's easy to become overwhelmed by negativity, but focusing on what you are grateful for can shift your perspective and help you grow emotionally. By consciously recognizing the positive aspects of your life, even in difficult times, you can train your brain to find hope and strength amid adversity. Start by listing small things you're thankful for, like supportive relationships, a moment of peace, or lessons learned from the struggle. This practice helps balance your emotional state and prevents you from being consumed by despair. Gratitude doesn't negate the pain, but it allows you to see beyond it, revealing opportunities for growth. Over time, practicing gratitude during tough times enhances resilience and emotional strength, teaching you to endure hardship with a sense of purpose and a deeper appreciation for life's challenges. Develop compassion for others. When we experience pain, it often opens our hearts to the struggles of others, fostering empathy and understanding. By recognizing that suffering is a universal experience, we can connect more deeply with those around us and offer support, even in our own difficult times. Developing compassion through personal suffering allows you to shift the focus from your own pain to the needs of others. It creates a sense of shared humanity, reducing feelings of isolation and building stronger, more meaningful relationships. Acts of kindness and empathy can provide a sense of purpose, helping you feel more grounded and less consumed by your own struggles. As you cultivate compassion, you also build emotional resilience. Helping others in their moments of need not only strengthens your capacity to endure hardship, but also enriches your emotional well-being and personal growth. Build problem-solving skills. Suffering presents an opportunity to develop problem-solving skills, which can make you more resilient and resourceful. When faced with hardship, the natural response is often to feel helpless or overwhelmed. However, by approaching challenges as problems to be solved, you can shift your mindset and turn adversity into an opportunity for growth. Start by breaking down the issue into smaller, more manageable parts. Identify potential solutions and evaluate their pros and cons. This analytical approach not only helps you navigate difficulties more effectively, but also builds your confidence in overcoming future obstacles. With practice, problem-solving becomes a skill that strengthens your emotional resilience. As you face each challenge, you develop a toolkit of strategies that will serve you in future struggles. The ability to find solutions to problems, even in the face of suffering, fosters a sense of control, empowers you, and helps you grow stronger and more adaptable in the long run. Strengthen your values. When faced with adversity, it often forces you to reevaluate your priorities, making you more aware of the core beliefs that guide you. By reflecting on your suffering and the lessons it offers, you can identify which values resonate most deeply with you, such as resilience, integrity, or compassion. Strengthening your values during tough times gives you a solid foundation for moving forward. These values act as a compass, helping you stay focused and grounded, even when everything around you feels uncertain. They serve as reminders of what you're working toward and help you maintain a sense of purpose. Over time, embracing suffering with a clear sense of your values not only helps you cope, but also transforms you into a stronger, more determined individual who lives with greater authenticity and direction. Focus on what you can control. It's easy to become overwhelmed by external circumstances, but by narrowing your focus to the aspects of life you have power over, you can regain a sense of agency and direction. Start by identifying what is within your control: your thoughts, emotions, actions, and responses. Instead of fixating on situations you can't change, channel your energy into improving your mindset, building healthier habits, or seeking solutions to the challenges at hand. This shift in focus helps reduce feelings of helplessness and frustration. By taking deliberate, positive actions within your control, you foster a sense of accomplishment and self-efficacy. Over time, this practice strengthens your resilience, teaching you how to navigate life's hardships with a clearer mind and greater emotional fortitude. Turn pain into purpose. When faced with hardship, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed, but reframing your pain as a source of growth can provide you with meaning and direction. Instead of focusing on the pain itself, ask yourself how you can use this experience to fuel personal growth, help others, or create positive change. For example, if you're dealing with loss, you might channel your grief into supporting others who are going through similar experiences. If you're struggling with health issues, You could use that struggle to advocate for better awareness or healthier lifestyles. By finding a deeper purpose in your suffering, you shift from being a passive victim to an active agent of change. Over time, this shift in perspective not only helps you heal, but also empowers you to grow stronger, more resilient, and purposeful in life's challenges. We hope this video helps you, and check out our other video related to mental health.